Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a guided link on social network settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click account information. Now here you will find it, you will find guided. You can add your guided link, and that's how to add a guided link on social network settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.